Hey guys, I'm gonna give an update on the giveaway and on the shop and some of our cars. April Fools, there is no giveaway. April Fools number 2, there actually is a giveaway. We're extending the giveaway another 2 weeks because we didn't get any comments, except that one. That's it. Anyways, so you can comment on this video or on the video before this one about the giveaway that mentions it. So I'm gonna put the giveaway link up there. I'm gonna give you a tour on the shop and see some of the cars. Let's get into it. So the 4Runner got hit by a little car. So the damage isn't too bad. But we still got some scrapes. I don't know if we're gonna fix it or get a new one or what, but we gotta fix that somehow. This tarp got ripped up in the wind. Hey Troy.
What's going on?
You wanna give an update on what's happened to the Jeep so far?
So right now we finally located the front bumper where we think we're gonna leave it. So now we're pushing the front end as far forward as we can and picked up some rock crawler 4-links from a guy down in Austin. We're going to make work for my front 4-link.
Cool.
Figuring it out.
Yeah. I remember when the Jeep ran over the lawnmower. All right, so we have these containers. Oh, there's the bird again. And a bird made a nest inside of it. I gotta hold this camera so I get scared when the bird comes out. Hey birdie, there you go. Hi. Here's its nest. It's got eggs in there, so I gotta move that nest. There's also another nest up there. I'm not sure if anything lives in there. I haven't seen it, but I know there's 2 birds that live here somewhere. Butterfly. Speaking of tarps, the used to be Jeep house. Now the Red Z house is torn up too. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and especially comment.